Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and happy Friday. We are going to try to set a new world record in Mr. Harmon's advanced math class for fastest lesson ever. So hang on to your seats here. Whew, it's a doozy. All right, we're going to start 10.4 today, and we're going to break it up into three separate sections. We are going to talk about frequency tables, histograms, and circle graphs. Today, we are only going to worry about frequency tables. So our learning target for this whole entire lesson is I can display and analyze data using a histogram and circle graph. You may notice that frequency table is not inside that learning target. That is because we use a frequency table every time we create a histogram and every time we create a circle graph. So we need to make sure we understand how to create a frequency table before we can move on to the next part of our lesson. So a frequency table is very, very simple. A frequency table is very similar to a line plot, if you remember with the X's. A definition of a frequency table is a table that shows the number of pieces of data that fall within a given interval. Now, the difference between a line plot and a frequency table is a frequency table has intervals. Intervals is a range of numbers. So if you look at my example over here, my intervals are 60 to 69, 70 to 79, 80 to 89, and 90 to 99. Okay? Now, I got some tallies here, so all I'm doing is I'm looking at my test scores, and I'm just marking them off. So there's a 62, so I put a tally on the 60 to 69. There's a 95, so I put a tally on my 90 to 95. I keep doing this with all of my test scores until they are all marked. So I would have all of these tallies right here, all these tallies, and then I can go ahead and I can just translate them into my numbers, which would be my frequency. So in my data set, I have 2 people that scored a 60 to 69. I have 5 people that scored 70 to 79. I have 5 people that scored 80 to 89. And I have 8 people that scored 90. Excuse me. 8 people that scored 90 to 99. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that includes our lesson for today. I told you, new world record. Frequency tables, you do have one IXL to do. I will tell you that the one on here, it says that it is BB10. It is BB11. I have fixed this. I believe it's BB11. I have fixed this on your IXL sheet. I have fixed this on your virtual planner. However, it is not fixed on the notes. Okay, so make sure that you are taking a look at the IXL sheet or the virtual planner. As always, message me on Schoology if you have any questions, and you guys have a fantastic weekend. Peace.